everyone, guys. Today in this video, I will just show you how to create a many-to-many field. Uh, First of all, I just want to tell you that what many-to-many field. But before this, I just want to show you the Odoo version I'm using is Odoo 16, and that is Community Edition, which is here. Odoo 16 Community Edition, and IDE as usual. I'm using Visual Studio Code, and same my customization, my custom module is customization. Okay, first of all, I just want to talk about what is a many-to-many field. Many-to-many field in Odoo are similar in operation with the many-to-one fields. Similar, very similar. However, with the capability to select multiple records at once. In many-to-one field, you can only select one field at one time. But in many-to-many, you can select many fields at many records at once, many records at once. An example for the operation is selecting is like tags for a vendor in the Odoo operations. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. So if let's go to sales, and in here, if I create a new sale order, and here in other info, you can see tags. So here in tags, if you select software, so we have select one record, but we can also select second record as well. We can select a third record as well. So as many as we want. So this is called many-to-many field. If I place my cursor here, we can see tag underscore IDs is the technical name of this field, and type is many-to-many, which I'm talking about. Okay, um, guys, I just don't want to tell you like books that what many-to-many field works, but I also want to practice with you that how we can utilize in very professional way. So let's start. So for that, let me just show you the scenario. What I have thought that we will go in contacts. Let's. I think I need to change this first. Okay. Why this? Okay. So scenario is we will go in contacts, and here in a contact we will add a field which is hobbies, and in hobbies we can select many hobbies as you like. But for that we don't have that model at the moment. So for that purpose we will create a new model, and we will add that model menu in configuration hobbies. So first we will select or create many hobbies in there, and then we will select field here in rest.partner, and then we can choose many hobbies. How about that? Okay, cool. So let's start, guys. So first we go in models. This is my custom uh, module custom, and in my modules let's create a new file, and I would call it partner underscore hobbies dot py. Okay, that's good. And then we need to add it in init file, and I would say from dot import partner and then hobbies. Cool. Um, let's just copy basic. Okay, guys. One more thing. I have already wrote some code just to save time because this video will be big. So I don't want to waste your time. What I would say that I have just saved the basic syntax, and for that, this is a new module I'm creating. So I would say from first of all, let's also copy this. Okay, so this is the basic thing from Odoo import models fields API, as you all know. This is a new thing from random import random. So I'm just saying that from random random. So this is for the color picker, which I will just tell you later. Okay, uh, I would say that my class res partner hobbies name is partner dot hobbies. Okay, first I've just created these three fields here. And for new model, I'm saying that name fields dot character hobby name, then active. This is for uh, archived and non-archived thing. I will just tell you or show you later why we are using active. And then I'm using a third thing, color, for using a color in my model. So I would say string is color. That's it. Okay, guys. So this is the model we have created. Now I'm going to create a view. So that's it. This is complete. And now I'm going in views, and in views, I'm going to create a new file. I say that partner underscore hobbies dot xml. Let's copy this name and add it in our manifest file. In manifest, I would say views and then the name which we have copied. Okay, that's cool. Now we have come here. Uh, okay, let's copy this thing, the basic. Right. Okay. Now format this. Okay. Right. So first of all, we have created a new model. Let's create. Uh, let's create a preview. Okay. So I have just copied this. I have already written this here just to save time. I explain it to you now. Uh, not this one. So don't worry. I will add this file um, in the description so you can download this if you want to practice. So here I would say partner hobbies tree view, any ID you want, and in name partner.hobbies.tree.view, any name you want. And this is the model. In model, I have just given this is the model partner.hobbies, which is there. And then I have just made a tree view, not a form view. In that tree view, I'm saying that editable is bottom. It means that we can change in the tree view as well. We don't need to go in the form. Okay, the first name is name uh, field I have added, and second is color. And in color, I'm using a widget which is color picker. So I just want to pick a random color for my records. Right. So this is the tree view. After that, I'm just going to add an action because I'm also going to add a menu item as well. Okay. So this is the action view. This is the ID partner hobbies action view. Then name type is ir.actions.act underscore window because this is for the action. Name is hobbies. Model is partner.hobbies, as you all know. And view mode is tree, not form, just tree view. We don't want any Kanban. We don't want any, form, just tree view. Fine. After that, we are going to create a menu item. So I have added this menu item name partner hobbies, the first menu, and ID, any ID you want. And in parent, I have given contacts.res partner underscore menu underscore config. How I have given this parent menu, because as you all know that I want to add this menu in configuration. So we want to look at the configuration thing menu. So for that, I would say look. So let me just also open Odoo in another menu. Let's click on settings. Make sure that debugger mode is on, and then you go in technical, and then you need to click on menu items. In menu items, just type configuration. And because you all know that we are looking for a context configuration, this one, because that is in that configuration menu is in context. And then after that, click here and then click on view metadata. And this is the one which you need, XML ID, context.res underscore partner underscore menu, and then underscore config. So after that, I've given in parent. So now in that menu, partner hobbies, I also want to add another menu. This is just for the heading. And this is the second menu. Okay, menu item ID is any menu ID you want, submenu underscore partner underscore hobbies, and then in parent. So I am giving parent of this ID because I want to add this menu into this uh, heading, under this heading. And then action, I want that when I click this menu, then it should perform this action, which is this one, partner underscore hobbies underscore action underscore view, which is this one. Right, guys? After that, we are going to go in CSV file. And here I have written this because we have created a new model. Then I have written access underscore partner underscore hobbies, the same name. Then you can want any name. And here, this is important, the model underscore partner underscore hobbies. Our model name is partner dot hobbies, but when we are writing in CSV file, then we need to give underscore. This is the same um, the default syntax base dot group underscore user 1111 because I'm giving full access. Right, guys? So this is it. Let's run my Odoo service and then upgrade Odoo UI. I hope, okay, let's upgrade my module, which is general customization. So I have created a new model. I've created a new tree view. I've created action view and then a menu item, which is called hobbies. But the main menu I have created, which is uh, partner hobbies. And then under that main menu, we will get hobbies. So if we click on contacts in configuration, you will see partner hobbies here, which is the main menu, but there is no action attached. So that's why it will not do anything. But there is another menu under this parent menu, which is hobbies. When I click this hobbies, we will get the model here. So I have already, so as you can see, I have already added cricket, reading books, traveling. Let's add, uh, let's just discard them, create another one. I would say this is coming just because of the widget color picker I show you in the XML. So I would say, I would say hockey, and I can choose any color, this one, and save it. So as you can see, we can save all the colors. Let's create another color. Um, and I would say um, food and any color. Okay, this is cool color. So right, guys. So this, as I have told you, color is coming just because of, if we go in the tree view where color, and I have used widget color picker. Okay, now we have done. We have created a new model. We have add some hobbies. Now we want to add it in REST partner. So if what we do, we can just go in. Yeah. So this is our already created file. I've already created some fields here, inherit rest.partner. So here I would say, hobbies underscore IDs. Please remember, whenever we are adding a many to many field, please, it's better to do IDs because we are going to add many records there. So I would say fields dot many to many, and the relation we are making with hobbies, sorry, partner underscore hobbies, which is here, partner dot hobbies. So sorry, guys. Control. Okay, and string, I would say hobbies. Cool. So this is done. Now we are going to add it in um, res partner, inherit this in res partner, and I have already written this for saving time. Uh, okay, here in our XML file, we are going to inherit in res partner. So I have said res partner extension hobby view, a rest.partner extension. Any name here. The model we are using is rest.partner. Inherit ID. So because I have already told you that if we go in context, we want to add that field, and I will add it just after this text ID, and name of this field is VAT. So we want to get inherit ID, click here, and then edit view form, and we can get base dot view underscore partner underscore form. So let's copy this. I have already written it there, base dot view underscore partner underscore form. So here, field, as I told you, VAT, we want after that. And here, I have added hobbies underscore IDs, the same field I have added there, this one. And then widget, I'm using many-to-many tags because this is a cool widget which Odoo is also using for tags. And then after that, in options, I'm using color field is color. So I'm using this my color field. So I'm using uh, that field in there in options as well. So let's upgrade because we are inheriting and get another field on rest.partner. So that's why please don't forget to add it in manifest.file. In depends, you need to add it base because that rest.partner module is in base. So yeah, let's upgrade our module. Why I have just created a new model and just shown all that thing, because I just want to don't just go in the basic stuff, and I just want to show you a real time scenario which you can use in which you or will use in professional life, in professional scenarios whenever you do job, or maybe you are already doing job, and so you know that this is real time scenario. You will know all the time you will be needing this, what I'm doing now, exact thing. Okay, so now if we go in context, we have already added a field. We go in any context, and this is the field, hobbies. Voila. And cool. These are all the things which we have added in our many-to-many module. Let's add cricket. Cricket color is there. If you have remember in food, I gave red color. Let's click red color. Wow. In hockey, very light color there. So guys, isn't it that cool? It is cool, guys. So this is not just very, you know, this is cool stuff. I just want to go with you um, along with this journey. I will always come up with very new, very innovative, and real-time scenarios which you can use in your daily life. So I hope you like this video. If you will like it, please like it, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and just encourage me to come up with new ideas and new cool videos. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye bye.